Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elle, and I'm back for another video. So, let's talk about how Realme recently came off from a pretty successful launch of the Realme 8 and 8 Pro. Well, now they're back with a brand new future-proof offering that will complete the trinity of the 8 series lineup. So now let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing and test out the newest Realme 8 5G. Well, you guys probably saw Cholo's first impressions video on this phone, but if not, let's go ahead and take a quick look at what's inside the box. For the box, you get Realme's signature yellow packaging, and you can spot its branding on the front and on the sides. While on the back, you can find the phone specs that we'll put up to test in this video. Inside the box, you can find the phone that we'll get into detail later on, along with the important documentation, a free jelly case, a SIM ejector pin, the 18-watt charger, and the USB Type-C cable. The Realme 8 5G has two different color variants, and the first one is Supersonic Black, and the one we have is the Supersonic Blue. For the phone's design, they opted for a plain and sleek glossy back where you can spot Realme's logo on the lower left. And I noticed they went for a simple design unlike their previous offerings in the 8 series lineup. Though, one thing I have to say is that you guys will definitely need to use the free jelly case that comes with this phone because this device is a fingerprint magnet. So, boop boop, boop boop boop, boop. Yeah. On the upper left corner, you can also see the camera setup that houses its 48 megapixel camera. And on the right, there's the power button that doubles as a fingerprint sensor. While on the left, you can find the volume rocker and dual nano SIM tray and a dedicated micro SD card slot for expandable storage. Meanwhile, the 3.5mm audio jack, the USB Type-C charging port, and speaker grill are located on the bottom. Sadly, no stereo speakers on this one, meaning your finger will most likely block off some audio whenever you play games. But hey, you always have the option to wear some wired earphones or some TWS buds. Regardless, here's an audio sample. The Realme 8 5G is a little bit hefty, weighing at 185 grams with an 8.5mm super slim design. For display, the Realme 8 5G has a 6.5-inch super smooth IPS LCD display that clocks in at 480 nits of brightness with a full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. You also have the option to change up your screen's refresh rate from 60 to 90 Hz. The refresh rate at 90 Hz makes scrolling through your feed seamlessly smooth, and I think that once you experience the 90 Hz refresh rate, you can never really go back to anything lower than that. No AMOLED screen aside, the display's color production is pretty vibrant and punchy. Okay naman siya for watching your everyday YouTube videos and Netflix. In terms of viewing angles, you can see everything as is no matter what angle you're watching from. For the specs, the Realme 8 5G runs on Dimensity 700 5G with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage that runs on the Realme UI 2.0 based off Android 11. And this phone's main highlight is its 5G connectivity, which makes it a future-proof phone, especially once 5G signals roll out in your area. Oh, and did I mention that the Realme 8 5G has expandable RAM? You heard that right. This phone has a RAM expansion option where if you have enough available storage space, you can use part of it to expand the phone's RAM, and it gives you the option of going from 8GB of RAM up to 13GB of RAM, which is pretty insane. But of course, in order to apply the RAM expansion changes, you would need to restart the device first. And of course, with that feature, expect to level up your gaming experience with this phone. Starting from your regular everyday games such as Mobile Legends Bang Bang, Call of Duty Mobile, and Genshin Impact. My Mobile Legends gaming experience on this was pretty enjoyable. It made my 60 FPS gameplay seamless smooth with little to no lags at all. The colors and characters were vibrant and punchy, while the 90 Hz refresh rate and expandable RAM size tied everything together for an ultra smooth gameplay. When it comes to Call of Duty Mobile, I played on medium settings with high frame rate, And so far, the phone can keep up with the quick on-screen commands from reloading, aiming down sights, and securing the objective with no hassle and lag at all. When it comes to my Genshin Impact gaming experience, I was pretty shocked at how I witnessed almost no frame drops at all, even when your character is in battle, so that is a huge plus. Overall, I had no problem playing the games on this phone, and I was actually pretty impressed that it can run your regular everyday games up to some graphically intensive ones like Genshin Impact. All of this with smooth gameplay. In terms of battery life, the Realme 8 5G has smart 5G power saving with 5000 mAh of battery. When it comes to charging, this does have an 18-watt charger. Now, based from a battery test, this device lasted 13 hours and 20 minutes, which is pretty good for your regular media consumption, and if you pair it up with the speedy 5G connectivity, it sounds like a pretty good deal. But anyways, do check out our benchmark scores. Moving on to the cameras, the Realme 8 5G has a good triple camera setup, housing its 48 megapixel main, 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, while on the front we have the 16 megapixel selfie camera. So far, the photos came out with stunning colors, striking details and sharpness, and it has good subject to background distinction as well. And because of its nightscape camera feature, this device can take amazing low light to nighttime images. Overall, this camera's phone can deliver amazing shots regardless if you have bad lighting or not. Its video stabilization capabilities works well too. Overall, the Realme 8 5G is definitely one to complete the 8 series trinity, offering us with its impeccable 5G connectivity that makes it a future-proof worthy investment. And not only that, but with its expandable RAM size and 90Hz refresh rate, this can guarantee you a faster and smoother gameplay. Definitely perfect for casual gamers out there looking for a new upgrade. Now, if this is the phone that you've been waiting for, the Realme 8 5G will be available at the SRP of 11,990 pesos. But hey, as an early bird offer, on June 25, the Realme 8 5G will be available at 1,500 pesos off, so it will go down to 10,490 pesos. And you get a guaranteed free shipping via Realme's official flagship store on Shopee. And don't forget that from June 25 to 27, you guys will get free Realme Buds Q worth 1,490 pesos for every purchase of the Realme 8 5G. So go ahead and grab yours now. But anyways, what do you guys think about this phone? Comment them down below and share your thoughts. Also, don't forget to check out Unbox PH for more awesome content. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because at 250k subs, we'll be giving away a free phone. So, that was another awesome gadget out of the box. This was me, Elle, and I'll see you guys next time.